Today I'm going to walk you through how to create stickers using Procreate. It is a free app that you can download. You do have to pay sometimes if you want like upgraded brushes or things like that, but it does come with everything you need to draw. I use all the standard brushes and I like them. I personally really like the studio pen for sketching. I find it to be the most similar to a pencil. So once I have got my sketch outlined and I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and create another layer and then start outlining my sketch in black. In this process, I'm going to just kind of crisp up the lines and just make it look the best I can. And I can't stress it enough, when using Procreate, really remember to use layers for your outline and your sketch and then the different colors you use within your drawing. Using the layers is going to really help you in the editing process. If you don't create different layers, sometimes when you go in and try to change colors, it'll change like the color of your whole image and it's very stressful. So from the start, just make sure you create layers for everything separately. So before I forget, if you see me in this video tapping on the screen with 2 fingers, that is a way to erase something you just drawn without having to go to the top bar and change to your eraser to remove something. And if you see me use 3 fingers, that's how you bring back something you just deleted. Once you've gone back over your outline and you've fixed all of the marks that you didn't necessarily like and you finally got your outline to what you want it to be, you're going to move into the color stage. And in this stage, you're going to want to create another layer for each color that you do. Going back to what I told you earlier about your layers, if you don't put them on different layers, it does make it difficult to change them in the future. So like say you want a lighter colored yellow or a brighter orange or something of that sort. If they're on the same layer and they're similar in the same color, it might change all your colors rather than just the color you want. So please make sure to save yourself a headache in the future. Make sure you put them all on separate layers. I also find that when you put your layers behind the outline, it really makes it easy to fill in those colors. So you'll just kind of outline your image again and then drop your color in, and that way you can have all your colors laid out on the page, and then you can go back in and add shading and texture and all of that. Once your image is complete and you've added all the colors that you want and it's ready for print, you're going to go ahead and create a border. This is going to help your cutting machine or the print company that you send your sticker to know where to cut your sticker out at. I like to just draw in a thicker pen around the outline of my sticker, then fill it in with white, and then export it as a PNG file. Don't forget to like and follow for more content like this.